everyone, I'm Sandhya and welcome to my channel Cook Eat Wonder. On our way from Delhi to Mumbai, we stayed for 2 nights at this beautiful hotel at Udaipur, Hotel Paras Mahal. I'm going to tell you everything about this place in detail with prices, room tour, food reviews, etc. This video is not sponsored, so I'm going to share my honest opinion with you guys. So yeah, let's get started. That's my husband Saurabh and my daughter Ivanka, all set for the long drive. We started from Faridabad in Delhi NCR at 6 in the morning. At around 8 in the evening, we were able to reach Hotel Paras Mahal. We took 3 breaks in between because we were traveling with our 1.5-year-old daughter, and it's always better to take frequent breaks when you're traveling with small kids. This is the view outside the hotel. As soon as we reached, our bags were sanitized. Also, our temperatures were taken. After the check-in formalities, we are going towards our room. This is the view outside the room. So let me give you a room tour. On my left is the washroom. Here is the bed. Sufficient place to sit. You can see the garden from the window, but right now it's night, so I'll show you guys this in the morning. TV. There's a triangular shaped mirror here, and that's me. Electric kettle and tea coffee kit. This is the room service menu. Water jug and glasses. We have kept our luggages here. There is a wardrobe here. Rooms are really spacious and clean. Now let's check the washroom. You have a hair dryer here. Toiletries. Shower area. There's a mirror here. We ordered some tea and coffee. This is tea for my husband and some coffee for me. I'll mention all the prices on the screen. Tea was good, but I didn't like the coffee that much. She's ordering something for her. Hi everyone, welcome back. We just took a shower and we are just chilling around. Now we are waiting for our dinner. Ivanka is all set to have her dinner. So this is all we got. We have some paneer tikka. The prices are on the screen. We have some steamed rice, especially for Ivanka. Some veg Manchurian. Some dal tadka. We have some curd and a cocktail. Come, let's have our dinner. Ivanka is having some rice, dal and curd. Food was really good. I liked everything except the cocktail. Cocktail was not so good. We came down to the restaurant for having our breakfast. We have some mixed fruit juice, some cornflakes, here we have some hot milk, sambar, idli, उपमा, पीस करी, पराठा, some beans curry, I'm not sure. We have some oats porridge, good for my daughter. Sandwich to come, some boiled egg and some mixed fruit. We took some paratha, some peas curry, some idli, sambar. This is for my daughter, some oats, upma, mixed fruit. We have some juices, sandwich and a masala omelette. Their breakfast tasted okay, I mean not very good. After having yesterday's dinner, I had higher expectations, but yeah, this is just average. Ivanka found it funny that I was shooting. She's smiling. After having our breakfast, we decided to go to the pool and garden area. This is their hall. Looks beautiful. On my right there is a spa. This is the pool which is currently not functional. That side is the garden. After so many months, my daughter is seeing the park and she was very happy. She enjoyed a lot. She is asking for help to get down. Isn't that cute? So we got back to our room and this is the view from our window. I couldn't show you guys this yesterday. We left for City Palace, which is a must-visit place in Udaipur and is just 2 kilometers from our hotel. This is the inside of the City Palace. I'll be doing a detailed video on this place very soon. By afternoon, we got back to our room. It was raining heavily and we thought of ordering some soup. This is veg hot and sour soup. Soup was really tasty and because of the rain, it felt really good to have some soup. Then we ordered our lunch. We have some butter roti, salad, peas pulao, curd, dal tadka and some bhindi masala. So let's start. Again, the food was really tasty. I don't know why their breakfast is not as good as their room service menu. I am a South Indian and I love to eat rice with my hand. Only then I feel 100% satisfied. Do you feel the same? Do let me know in the comment section below. Next day at early morning 3 we left for Mumbai. It was raining heavily at Udaipur. I hope you liked today's video. If so, do not forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. Take care. Thanks for watching.